Good morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new lesson. But before that, I want to ask you a few questions. How many months we have in a year? Okay. Students, through the chat box, you can reply me. There are 12 months. Okay. Wait a minute. There are 12. It's all right. Now, I want one student here. Okay. Adarsh Yadav, unmute yourself. Adarsh Yadav.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Okay. Please tell me how many seasons we have?
Rainy, winter, summer.
Okay, fine, summer. There are two more seasons are there. Spring, autumn seasons are also there, right? Okay, just
Yes.
tell me in a summer season, which fruits are available?
Mango. And then,
Mango. Do you like the mango?
yes.
Yes, okay. Now you can mute yourself on your web camera, beta. Okay, next. Ishwari More, I'll unmute to you. Ishwari More. Hello, Ishwari.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Which is your favorable season?
Teacher.
Come on, tell me. Which is your favorable season?
Teacher, summer.
You like summer. Okay, what is the reason behind that? Why you like summer season? अच्छा आपको what you like in summer season? कुछ तो अच्छा होगा, कुछ तो मतलब special होगा summer season में, right?
Teacher, because I like mango.
Okay, you like the fruits, mango. That's the why you like the summer season. Okay, fine. Now you can mute yourself better.
Thank you, teacher.
Most welcome. Most of the students like the summer season only. Fine. So today's our lesson, it's the 12th month. Basically, students, we have not learned about the months. In this lesson, there is such a beautiful story which gives you a moral message. As you know, students, each and every story will give you the moral message, right? हर एक स्टोरी में हमें कोई ना कोई एक मॉरल मैसेज मिलता है. We get the moral message. Okay, now it's up to you. Now it's up to you that how you utilize that moral values in your day-to-day life. Okay, so end of the story, I will ask you the moral value and some questions also. So for that, you have to listen the lesson very carefully. So let me start. This is the main character of our story. There are the others character also, but these are the main characters. And the character name is Morokla. Morokla was a beautiful girl. Okay. And Morokla was a very beautiful girl. She lived with her stepmother and her stepdaughter. Her stepmother, she was very fond of her own daughter. She loved her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. Stepdaughter is the Morokla. She hated too much her. And what's the reason behind that? The reason was the Moroka was a stepdaughter. First, the reason is she's a stepdaughter, and second, she was the prettiest girl in that place. She's a very prettiest girl as compared to her stepsister. And what was her stepsister name is? Helena. Her stepsister name is Helena. But Moroka have a gentle heart. She's very kind and a beautiful girl. Now one day what happened? One day Moroka is doing her housework. She's do all the housework like washing clothes, spinning, weaving, swimming. She liked to do all the housework without a word of complaint because stepmother and stepsister always give all the housework work to the Morokla. So now the one day, stepsister is saying to Morokla, get some violets from the forest. Get some violets. Violets means students, flowers, which is in a purple color. So stepsister is saying, get some violets from the forest. I do. I want to wear that flowers. I like the smell of that flowers. Okay. But Morukla is saying it is impossible to find the violets because in the outside there is a snow is fall down. Snow is falling down. It is impossible to find the violets in a snow area. It is impossible. Then too, the stepmother and stepsister, they are not listening to her. They are not listening to her and tell them to bring it now itself. And then after the Moro class, she's wandering, she's roaming here and there. She's roaming here and there. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint. No able to see, no able to see the surrounding properly. Morikla is wandering, roaming here and there for a long time. She want to be find out a violet that means a purple color flowers. At last she saw a light. At last she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow, which come from the top of a mountain. A big fire was burning there. See, a big fire was burning there. And around the fire, were 12 stones. There are the 12 stones where the 12 men sitting on them. 12 men are sitting on them. 3 of them had snow white beards. 3 were not so old and 3 were still younger. Some are having a white beard, some are still young and some are not so old. So total 12 men are there. This 12 men were the 12 months. This 12 men were the 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. There are the months, not a really man. There are the months. And the great is a January, set highest of all because January comes first. So that is the great January. He's heard, he's heard the voice of Morokla. Morokla first was fainting. She'd afraid while seeing this 12 months. Great January nodded and asked her, why you came here, my dear little girl? What you are looking for? What you want? Morikla replied, I want the violets. That means a purple flower. Okay, fine. Then after Great January is saying that there is a snow. You cannot get the purple violet flowers. It is impossible to get the purple violet flowers because there is a snow. Then Morikla is saying, yes, I know, but my sister, my stepmother, they tell me to bring the violets. That means the flowers from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. They will beat me. Tell me, please, where I can find the violets. Then, after the great January stood up and went to one of the younger months, and that younger month name is a March. January went to the March month and said, please use your club and please use your club. Club that means a magical heavy stick. A magical heavy stick. And with the help of magical heavy stick, please bring all the violets. Violets that means a purple flowers. So March took the high seat upon the stone and waved. That means is waving the club over the fire. As you can see, is is waving the club over the fire. When it's waved over the fire is brighten and glow, and snow began to melt because there is a flower, because the fire is bright and shine more. So then after the snow started to melt, when the snow started to melt, everywhere the trees are there, uh, fresh leaves are there, and the blossom of violets, that means the blossom of flowers are there. That means the March month bring the springtime season, bring the springtime. Springtime, as you observe student, in a springtime there is a blossom of flowers. So in this way the Morocla get the violets flower, Morocla get the violets flower, and she returned back to the home. When she returned back to the home, stepmother stepmother is asking, you get this flower? How it's possible? Because there is a snow outside. But Morukla is saying, then to I get the flowers. So the next time students, again the step mother and the step sister said to the Morukla, now go, you have to be bring for me some strawberries from the forest, some strawberries from the forest. Then after Morukla is saying, from where I have to find any strawberries in the hard winter? There is a winter. I'm not able to find strawberries in this season. Then again, the stepmother and step sister pushed her out of the door and shut the door and said Morukla went to the forest and bring all the strawberries. Now the same situation. Everywhere the snow was laying deep and there wasn't a human footprint. Everywhere snow is there. And she's wonder hearing there. She's wondering hearing there. And she's wondering hearing there. When she's wondering hearing there, then after she's go. Okay. So again the Morokla second time went to the forest and she's finding the strawberry. Now Now here the Great January again try to head to the Morokla. Great January tell to the June that please use your club over the fire and melted the snow in a moment. When melted the snow in the moment when the fire melted, all ground was all green. The trees were covered with the leaves and the birds began to sing. And the birds began to sing, and the forest was filled with all the kinds of flower. It was a summer season. It was a summer season. Okay, the ground around the bushes were covered with white, with the white flowers are there, blossoms and blossoms. There suddenly started blossom were turning into a strawberries every minute. Okay, now she's find everywhere strawberries are there. They ripe at once, and before Morkla had time to think, there were so many strawberries she find in their surrounding that it looked as though a red carpet, and it looked so beautiful. Morikla started to collecting the strawberry. She started to collecting the strawberry with joyfully and very happily. And again she returned back to the home and give to her step sister and stepmother. Helena and the stepmother wonder when why when they saw Morikla bringing the strawberry, because it is impossible to bring the strawberry in this month. There are the plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountain. Stepsister and stepmother eat it strawberries. They eat the strawberries and they love the taste of the strawberry. And then after they are saying, it is so less Why you bring so less strawberry? She's saying because there is this less number of strawberries. Then the wicked mother and the sister is saying, no, in between you must be eaten because this is a less number of strawberries. Now, again the third time, stepmother and the stepmother and the stepsister tell to the Morika that you have to be go again and bring some apple The stepmother caught hold of Morikla and without giving her a chance to speak, push her out of the door. Now this is the third time the stepmother and stepsister tell to the Morika that you have to go outside and bring some apple from the forest. Now again the same situation happened. Morikla went to the forest again and wander here and there. She runs straight to the top of the mountain where all the 12 months are settled down, where the big fire was burning. Again, Morikla requested, please help me. Great January noted and asked her, what are you looking for today? Now, today, what you want? I'm looking for a red apples. I'm looking for a red apples. If I don't bring them, my sister and mother, again, they will kill me. Father, please help me. So here Morikla again requested to the January, that means all the months. So great January, again he went up and moved towards the September. September month, he handed the club, that means the heavy magical stick to him and said, brother, take the high seat, okay? And wave the club on the fire, wave the club over the fire. Month September took the high feet upon the stone and waving the club over the fire began to burn with a red flame. The snow began to melt. Again, the snow began to melt, but there was a cold wind that sent the leaves down to the ground. They send the leaves down to the ground. If you find the students, the leaves and flowers fell down on the ground, that is the autumn season. That is the autumn season. And in the autumn season, you will get the red shiny apples. Morikla saw just one apple tree. She saw on the ground only just a one apple tree is there hanging high among its branches, and there are lots of red shining apples. Then after September month is instruct to the Morikla, only once time you can shake the tree. Only the once time you can shake the tree. And once time, how many apples is falling down? Only that much apple you have to take with you. So then after the Morikla agreed, so she shake that tree and the Morikla obeyed at once. She picked up the apples, thanked the months to all her hearted, and run merrily home. Now here again she brought an apple for her stepmother and the stepsister. And again they are wondered because they saw Morikla brings only the two apples. Why she bring her two apples? Because the September month instruct her that only a once time you have to shake the tree, and where how many apples are fall down, that much only you have to take. So only two apples is falling down from the tree. Where did you get them? Asked Olena. Olena is asking, where you get this? I found them in the high mountain. Morikla explained each and everything. So why didn't you bring more? This is only a two. Alas, dear sister, I haven't even tasted them. I not even eat them. Trust me. But the stepsister and stepmother, they are not believed to the Morikla. Then after said the wicked Helena and began to eat the apple. They eat the apple. The taste was delicious. She told her mother, and she never tasted anything so nice because the taste of the apple is too good. The stepmother liked too. They had finished that too. They had finished that apple. They have finished that apple, and the stepmother and stepsister, they are thought that we have to go there. We have to go there, the forest. In that forest, the top of the mountain, and search. Maybe there are the lots of the apples are available. There are lots of the apples are available, and we should be brought them. Okay. So here again they are wondering. Now here stepmother and the step sister, they are wondering for a long time. Okay, now they are come out and they are wondering for a long time. But at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting. Again, they also find out the top, they also find out the big fire and the 12 months. That means a man who are sitting there. They step up to the fire and stretch their hands to warm without asking permission or speaking one polite word. As you know, student, that stepmother and the step sisters, they are a this is they are not, they are a unmannerism. They are not talk politely to the person. Okay, and they are not asking the permission to the 12 months. So why have you come here and what you are looking for? Asked the great January very angrily, the great January asking the question to the stepmother and the step sister. Why do you want to know, you old fool? Now they are replied while using very cruel words. They are replied very using a disrespect and cruel words. Okay, said the mother. Great January, now great January and all the months become get angry. They become get angry. Now the great January take the club over his head. They swing the club over his head. They swing the club over his head. The sky grew dark in a moment. When the great January waving the club, suddenly the sky grew dark in the moment. The fire burnt low. Suddenly the fire burnt low. The fire burnt low, and the snow began to fall thick, and icy wind began to blow through the forest. There is a very fast the snows falling down on the ground. Everywhere the thick snows are there. Okay, now Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them because everywhere snow is there. They are not able to see each and everything. They're tired to find their way out the snow, fell in huge masses and snow. They were lost in it. Now they were lost because they couldn't find the direction where I have to go. Stepmother and stepsister, they don't know the direction. At home, at the home, the Morikla waited for her stepsister and stepmother. When she went to search for them, she found neither mother or nor sister. And there is a 12 month in the forest, they also not present in the forest. At last, she returned home very sadly because she couldn't find her stepmother and the step sister. She returned home very sadly. So good Morikla. Morikla was a very good hearted girl. She's a very good hearted girl. Then after inherited meant received from someone who was dead. She received this, she received the announcement that someone who has dead. The cottage and the land around it. Then after a few days later, she married a kind, handsome man. She married a kind and handsome man. They both lived happily ever after. They both live ever after. So till the end, the stepmother and stepsister, they are not returned back to the home because she's just received the that someone who has died. She just heard this because the stepmother and step uh, sister, they are not returned back to the home. So this is the story about Morikla, who is a beautiful and a soft-hearted girl.